You guys, this is either gonna be so great or really bad. And I don't know which one yet, but I'm excited either way. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, today we're doing a fun challenge video. I'm very excited because I want to do my full face of makeup with my eyes closed. So I actually got this idea from my friend Joe. I'll have his YouTube channel linked down below. He's a really great guy and he knows that I make makeup videos, and he said, hey Kenzie, you know, it would be really funny if you did your makeup blind or like with your eyes closed. And I was like, oh, that's actually a really cool idea because I hadn't thought of that before. I know that there's like makeup blindfolded or like the no mirror makeup challenge, stuff like that, but I hadn't seen one with just doing it with your eyes closed. So I went on YouTube and I searched it, and of course it's been done multiple times. The first person that I saw that did it was Makeup by Michael Finch. I will have his link in the description as well, so you can watch that video. I did see multiple videos, so I will link a few people, but the first one that I did see was Makeup by Michael Finch. I'm really excited about it. I can't wait. I have all of my stuff right here, and this is gonna be a look, you guys. So if you would like to see me do my my face with my eyes closed, then keep on watching. So I'm going to keep you zoomed in, and the only rule that I'm allowing myself, I do have a viewfinder right here just to make sure that I'm in focus. I don't have anybody else here with me to make sure that I'm in focus, so I will have to look at the viewfinder just very quickly occasionally just to make sure that I'm still in focus, because I do not want this video to be like in the middle and then just go out of focus and then it just is awful. But we're gonna get started. Here we go. I've got my eye primer right here. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm just like, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this, you guys. I'm gonna do my eye makeup first, just in case if I mess up really badly, then I can at least go over it with like a makeup wipe or something. And oh gosh, I can't get it back in the tube. Okay, there we go. I'm not even sure. That doesn't even feel like I got enough on there. Alright, so that is done. So now I'm going to take the Norvina palette today, and I'm going to go ahead and get my brushes out and just have them kind of like ready. I've got this open, and then I am allowed to look at the shades because I do want to at least make this a semi-wearable look if I can. And then I will have to look just to make sure that my camera cuts off at like 11 minutes. So I have to like redo it, so I will have to look occasionally to make sure that it doesn't get cut off. So let's go in here. I am going to go into base right here and then a little bit of essence, and we are going to put that in the transition area. And then I'm going to go ahead and do both eyes on camera just because there's literally no way that I'm going to be able to replicate this. I'm gonna go with a little more of that essence, I can't read, that shade. So now I've got this set down. I'm so nervous. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the shade Volatile just to deepen up the crease just a smidgen. Alright, and then I'm just gonna blend all that in. You know, if I keep blending, maybe it'll just, you know, blend out and just become one solid color, so it won't actually look like butt. Alright, so I think that's gonna be it for that. And then I'm gonna go in with a smaller, tighter brush. This is the Morphe M433, and I'm gonna take the shade Passion on this brush right here, and then just go on the outer V area just to deepen all of this up. Try not to take too much because I don't know how, I mean, I know the shadow is pigmented, but like I don't know the range of how pigmented it is, you know? So I think that's enough. I'm so nervous. And no, if you see me looking down this way, I don't have any kind of mirror or anything down here on the floor or anything like that. So I promise, if I did, it wouldn't look like this. I don't know what it looks like, but you know. Okay, so that's that. So now I'm going to take my favorite shade in this palette, which is the shade Rose Gold right here. Just look at that. Oh my god. And I'm going to find my lid, and we are going to put this all over the lid. Okay, I think that's good. So now we're going to close this, and I'm going to take a makeup wipe really quickly and then just see if I can salvage anything before I get to my face makeup. Okay, so it's not too bad. There wasn't too much like gotten super outside of the lines or anything, you know. There wasn't any eyeshadow down here. So now I am gonna take my primer right here. This is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Base Hydrating Primer. My hair is really not in a good place today. I just straightened it. It was like up in like a bun for 2 days, and I just straightened it and now it's super frizzy, but that's my fault. Alrighty. Primer is on. So next, oh, I need to go dampen my beauty blender. I forgot to do that. Shucks. Okay, I've got my beauty blender all wet here, and now I am going to take my Amazonian Clay foundation. I'm almost out of it. Again, I need to get another one. It's still kicking, so we're gonna use it until it's gone. So now I'm gonna put this in here. And like, I don't know how I'm gonna do my eyebrows, you guys. I mean, let's be honest, I don't really do all too much to my eyebrows already. I mean, I really don't. If I'm being totally honest, I don't even like, I want to learn how to, but like I don't use a brow pomade or anything like that to my eyes at the moment. I mean, my eyebrows. Oh my god, you guys, I watched Peter Rabbit the other day. It was so funny. It's on Netflix, and if you have not seen that movie, oh my goodness, I would highly recommend it so much. It was so great. I loved every second of it. James Corden did such a great job at playing Peter Rabbit, and it was just so funny. I didn't realize it was gonna be as funny as it was, and like, it was just, it like broke the fourth wall a lot as well, and it was great. And I want to make it very clear to you guys, you'll be able to see this, you'll be able to tell anyways, but when I went to go dampen my beauty blender, I did not change anything with my eye makeup. I didn't do anything differently to it. I didn't touch it up. I didn't blend it out anymore. Like, you should be able to tell just by how the same it is. So I want to make that very clear. Okay, so that is blended out now. I am going to go into my concealer. Got the Shape Tape concealer right here and Most Amazing Stuff. And we are going to, close enough. So we are gonna blend this out. And next, let's go ahead and go to setting powder. Not the Cover FX, what's it called? Perfect setting powder. I almost said ultra setting powder, but that is not right. I think I'm getting this everywhere. And then a little down the nose. Good. Super. So next we're gonna do my eyebrows, and this is where I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I literally have no clue. We're gonna wing it. We are going to take a guess and we're gonna give it a good college try. All right, guys. So got my powder right here. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo Brow Powder, and we're gonna go in and find my eyebrows. And we are gonna literally just like go so light-handed that I don't even know if I'm getting anything on my eyebrows anymore. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. There we go. Done. Editing Kenzie is gonna have a laugh. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this brush. This is the Morphe E3. I'm gonna go ahead and just kick off that bake here. Okay, next, what I would normally do is bronzer. So I'm gonna grab my Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer right here. Again, I say this almost every time. A great dupe for this is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Really great stuff. But I do love this bronzer. I don't know why. It's just dope. So we're gonna swirl our brushy brush here and we're just gonna go to town, y'all. Alright, that's enough bronzer. Next, I'm going to go in with blush. And I've got the Too Faced Something About Berry blush, the Sweethearts blush. And we are going to, just like that, give a little dusting. I feel like I just used a lot. What we're going to do is I'm going to attempt to do my liner and lashes. So I normally always do this off camera, but I would have to look in a mirror for this, and that's not part of the rules. So I have to do this like this. So, alright. This is where I can guarantee you that I'm going to ruin any good that is on here right now. So, oh no, oh no, I can tell. It's so bad. I'm trying really hard. Like, I can just tell though. Oh no. Okay, other eye. I just got it on my nose. Is it even on? Okay, it is. It's working. Is it even on? Hello? Guys, I have no excuse for this. I'm just gonna stop. I'm gonna stop rolling my head because you guys, I have no idea. I'm just gonna look. Okay, the timer's fine. I don't want to see myself. I just peeked through my fingers just so I could check the time. So, here we go. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, alrighty. Like, normally I would just be like getting up in here, but since I don't know where my lashes are, I'm like, I don't know. What's next? Highlight. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Rose Gold. This stuff is so great. And then, you guys, we're almost done. All we have to do is the lips next. Good, and I'm gonna check the time. Okay, time is fine. So we're gonna go in with lips, and for this I'm gonna be using the Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade Kristen. This also is where I'm gonna, if the eye makeup is not ruined, which I can literally like 99% guarantee that it is, I'm gonna ruin it with this. I think that's the fastest that I've applied my liquid lipstick in a very long time, but the thing is I don't know if it's a good application or not. I doubt it. Super. So last step, setting spray. Here we go. I have the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and we are just gonna, yes. Alright. So, you guys, this is the makeup look today. How is it? What do you think? I'm gonna get up close to the camera so we can do a full once over. Oh, here we go, you guys. This is the first time that I'm even seeing it too, so here we go. Oh, okay. I mean, it could have been worse. I missed a little piece down here. Could have been worse. Okay. I'm not too mad about it. I can fix this. So let's go to the eyes now. So this is the Kylie liquid lip, so let's go ahead and move on. Oh, yes. That, oh. This liner though, I knew it was gonna be terrible. I knew it was gonna be so bad. This eyeshadow, I felt like it could have been a lot worse. I felt like it could have been a lot worse. I felt like I was getting it like out here or something. It could have been definitely a lot worse. It could have been a lot better too. But, you know, this though, how did I get this? What did I do this with? Mascara? I think it might have been mascara. But yes, you guys, that is the look today, if you can even call this a look. This is the challenge that has been the challenge for today. I really hope that you guys liked it. It was so much fun for me to film. I love filming these types of challenges. I think they're so much fun. I think they're so, like, you really have to put your skills to the test and do the best that you can. And this could have been worse. It obviously could have been a lot better, but it could have been a lot worse. And you know, you just gotta laugh at yourself a little bit. But you guys, I am gonna go ahead and end the video here. I really hope that you did like it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I posted when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.